Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and today we will learn how the way we can edit an aesthetic video with a CapCut application. You just need to open your CapCut and tap into this new project, and then you just need to add the video that you want to use on your video later on. Okay, I already got everything. Just go click add anyway, and then you just need to tap this audio first. Now you just need to go looking for the sounds that you want to add here, and then you can just do the picking the perfect sounds, and then you just need to tap on it and then go click this plus button. The next is just go tap into the sound section and then swipe it into the left side until you got beat. And here you just need to go click auto generate, and you will got the beat right away. You can make it like intense or light, so I will let to use light here. So adjusting this into the left side. Perfect. And then you just need to tap into this checklist button. Now you already got this yellow dot. The next is just adjusting the duration of the clip to be in the same with the yellow dot itself, so it will help you to get the perfect moving or transitions for your video. So here just go click delete and adjusting everything match with the bit. Perfect. Then just go delete everything, make sure that you got the bit. And then just do for the rest of the video here. Almost there. Okay, we already reached the end of the clip, and then we need to customize the duration of the audio by tap the audio section, split and delete. Now we already got the video match with the bit. Now the next thing you need to do is just adjusting everything to be a look more darker. So you just need to swipe this section into the left side and then you want adjust. And now you just need to tap into this brightness and then drag it into the left side, so that could be a black color apply, and you can just check everything on the whole clip. And right after you got it, you just need to go with this checklist button, make sure that everything is just applied into the whole video. Perfect. And the next thing you need to do is just go back, and then you just need to go add the text. You just need to go swipe up right and then tap into text and go click add text, and then you just need to tap the text that you want to have. Don't forget to adjusting the font by tap into this font here, and then find the best font that can make your video look aesthetic, adjusting the size as well as the color if you want, but I will let you keep it white. And the next, just go click this checklist button, and then you make sure that the text here is applying also into the whole clip. Drag it into the right side until at the end of the clip. Now all is just perfect. You can just start it editing by yourself and just mention us on the comment section if you got it perfect. So that's for this tutorial. Hopefully you enjoyed this, and please don't forget to turn on the notification for upcoming video. Thank you for watching.